In this video, we will be looking at how to assemble a 100 ml reservoir kit. The adapter cap for this kit has two ports for PTFE tubing. We will therefore need to prepare some. Insert one set of tubing so it can reach near the bottom. We'll want it below the fluid level at all times. Keep the other set of tubing above fluid level. This one will supply air to the reservoir. Our PTFE tubing can't connect straight to a pressure controller. For that, we'll need an adapter for Tygon tubing. Place a male lure adapter on the free end of the air tubing. Connect this to a length of Tygon tubing. Now connect the Tygon tubing to the pressure controller and your setup is complete.